You're wanting to change or replace the filters on your shark liftaway, but if your model looks a little bit like this one with this solid panel at the front, you may be left a little bit confused. Where are all the filters? Now we're talking about model numbers like NV602, NV12, NV702, and in the USA there's a LA492. They're all very similar with this panel at the front. Now obviously your sponge and your pad filter, we see them all the time. They live underneath the bin. But where is the HEPA filter? I'm going to tilt this one back just to show you. This front solid panel actually just lifts off from the bottom. Once you've taken that off, you'll see where the HEPA filter is. You can pull it out to clean it or obviously to replace it. If you're unsure how to clean your filters correctly, please see my next video here. Also, the one above it shows you how to make your shark and your room smell amazing when vacuuming. If your model hasn't been mentioned in this video and you're still feeling confused, please put it in the comments below and I'll try and help.